Avuxeni maxaka yindota ka hambanahambana hamamukela swinene kwa mi joinile haleni ka Nkanelo Gingirikani vito ra mina Mandla Gingirikani wa ka Maxava ni khensa swinene kwa mi joinile na n'wina ma khweta ku subscribe ya khensa swinene a hi swi tekeli hansi loko hi vona tivhidiyo hale kaya a hi tluli swinavetiso loko vona tivhidiyo hale kaya a hi tluli swinavetiso so kumbe mi nga tluli swinavetiso okay. Nails. People were talking. Okay, a friend of mine said, "Oh, so it's not a Q-tex, guys. I Q-tex this one. This is called nail polish, so it's not. It's nail polish. I Q-tex." Okay, I've seen a lot of men are putting a lot of nail polish these days. Yeah, usually local when you see a man putting nail polish, it's usually frowned upon. Oh, sure. Oh, maybe it's Juzan. Maybe it's Juzan. No, guys, I send me mwala. I thought that nail polish. Na men totally nail polish. Like some mwala, totally black, and that design just to address the elephant in the room. Why do you have nail polish? Are you gay? You know. And some questions. It would talk like, okay, after finding out that issue. And now when especially guys asking me that question, I get worried. Sometimes I'm finding about team. Okay, I've lovely relation get so oh yeah, nimbale Tsonga stamp. I brand about Tsonga liwan. I support in bakaye. No, susahara ba skip na majesi market so enda look muslava. Tsonga stamp vakona. Me ba check ka Facebook, me Tsonga stamp. Ya uma. Me klemba check ka ti Twitter na ti Instagram vakona Tsonga stamp. Yeah, it's a Tsonga brand. I embody hi supportana vana ka hina. Swi kahle ku loko munhu a ri na brand ya kahle hi support. Ni vone na ta sweswi is my former coach, football coach. Yeah, tlanga phela bola leyi. Na brand ya yena. A hi va support hi vana. Na ta sweswi. Check ka Facebook na le ka Instagram ku na ta sweswi ta huma. Another person that I feel like we need to support. No man, not this one. This is Born to Quiet. I'm reading this book. It's a book about music, you know. You can also check it out and read it. It talks about music kwaito, but the political side of Tsonga, kwaito music, but not too much. It's usually about gender and issues that revolves around kwaito stars. Let's say okay, behind closed doors. It's a very nice book. Born to Kwaito. It's a esinakonda beni na slemthembu ya mi cheka. Mara le ninga la kumjela na iliwa book very trapped in love and trash. Na love always win. It's a late Tisran boka bevula. I was supporting me cheka ka Twitter Tisran bevula. Me was supporting na mensha win the book. Okay. So this weekend, I found being Makai. Oh, before you cool, Nongono to Soka when I was secretary jar our funerals, Mangarwal could join our funerals in Karwar corner, Kulokusuka when a combo kaya, Wangamba, Wakanguna Bakula Shakela, if she's Suketan, Eva a Shaiseki, Niku is to Tiruta from Bakashe, Kutaguna Wanamatok secretary, Terra, Kukupuna, not in the Tombanamba to Lasha. Join our funerals, Namuntan Karwar corner, number 1 corner, Laver 064 947 7681 miwa joina vakona ndhawu to hambana mana Gyani malamlele Soweto Hammanskraal Bushbuck Ridge malamlele Gyani Johannesburg everywhere vakona our funerals ni va cheka nkarhi wa mandla swi swa kahle man na mina ni join na our funerals so join na our funerals mi nga chavi mi nga titimeli okay so this weekend ani Cara Lounge van'wana very Cara Lounge yeah we're at Cara Lounge le apitori I celebrate a birthday ya Gagash. Mina ni mjeri siku ngwanu kwa mina loko munhu nga invite ani vele ani loko munhu nga invite wangi. So mara this weekend I invite we va funerals which is our funerals hi vona va invite okay le gera I fambe mi ya tiphina Pitori hi rambiwile because vona va seketela intro birthday celebration ya Gagash so va hi rambini famba na vona hi tiphine kahle ngopfu man it was nice it was so beautiful it's just that loko hi nghena ntsamini ya Cara Lounge loko ku va na next so loko ni fika la usually kuna main gate leyi ku nghenaka kona timovha kumbe vanhu lava nghenaka kona njhenjhe. So I redirect ku ya nghena gate leyi n'wini le side. I forgot is it Hoshimampuru? No, I don't know that other street on the other side. So just felt like that was a bit unsafe. It was a bit unsafe, man. Anyway, maybe I was ndlela ku ku na safety ndlela ya ku traffic ifamba hi side ra one. Yeah, mara hi tiphinile ku nghena then vele hina se ayo invite you. So if ke nghena lindeni ka Cara Lounge ibile ku nghena kuma ku so vanhu vele nghenteleni anga tala ngopfu loko hi nghena vele. Fike around boma 5-6 somewhere there. Look me fika. No, I'm lying. Nifike la boma 4-5, yeah, around 4. Fike a Cara Lounge kuma ku vanhu ba fikini abakona mara va nga tala ngopfu. Then loko swi ya vanhu ba tala. Then maybe then before the performance to sungula, I met a very good friend of mine. His name is Timo Tona. Student chamina shankatara lexuwani. Yeah, shukuni akutlangeni hallo ile gereni akutlangeni ka no I'm happy to see you ntana ku vona impela loko xingena Timo Tona vaka hina Timo Tona. It's beautiful, man. That's Timo Tona, guys. I'm from Mina like Magoro, ne? Kamagoro. Yeah, like a boy Kamagoro. I think Timo Tona Kamagoro, like a Bonkuza, Setrokoala. So shy Kanga, shy Lumetel, Shaluma Timo Tona. Yeah, good man, good stuff. But then before after Timo Tona, Kungena Mrepa in one. Kungena mrepa hin'wana kuna mrepa xikuhale gena ni komenta ka video ni komenta na ku channel ya wena please take me video kwa i shaya lowa ni xiteka very Sina Fubu. Man. Beautiful stuff, Sina Fubu, man. Beautiful stuff. Maybe today I'm not sure if Nevitana Rona Street in comment, but I liked his performance. I celebrate that birthday ya Gagash kale a Cara Lounge ku ri ntirho kahle ngo saseke ngopfu guys hi tiphinile man kha cina ivi loko ku heta Sina Fubu then ni ve ni huma mina loko ni huma you know if you've been to Cara Lounge kuna ndhawu yin'wana yi na stepis ne ku va na gojinyana ra sekela so I was walking towards the other side there like when I was kona. Then as I was walking that side some guys popped up out of nowhere, guys. They're like, yeah, what? And they came. So when I was trying to negotiate with this guy who was calling me all this, I'm like, what's happening? So what? Some guy comes flying and says, hey, you can try here, can you? So I'm like, I'm going to wait for that bango. No, ban, ngantolo na swa juice answa hela. This jealous says I could no ngantolo big, la ku bayizela la ta trapa heck. So hela swa juice in the pen timshelo ku bayizela damanta punch. That punch me navan. I'm not violent, but abola ku nsikela for. That's why I feel like sometimes hlaba hi vana the bodyguard. And talking about bodyguard, as look say that thing she hela because ku te vanhu va nga va ka ngutsikeni va ta byala so leswi tisa okay I fambile van khoma na mina van khoma ani va na munhu mina ne va nga membe ku ndlela ani va na munhu ivi loko hi huma okay loko mina se ni langutana ni famba ni ya le ani ya kona ni hlangana na Sign Free. I was so happy to see him. Yo, very humble guy, man. We had a nice chat with Sign Free. You know, I was telling him, you know what, you and D Michaels, I feel like probably in Amatonga we're not appreciating you enough. You know, and I feel like maybe you don't deserve us. and i marito man'wana nga byela wona a Cara Lounge as well va ni byela vaseketeri va Nkanelo wa Gingirikani va ku hayi bote hi mi rhandza ngopfu mani hi mi rhandza ngopfu man just that nga ri n'wina mi swongo swi professional ngopfu nga ri I am deserve I am deserve ta mi byela kumbe ste post te yini ka next video about me actually yeah no ta mi byela ta ndla video yin'wana ni mi byela kumbe ste post te yini. Then I came back. When I came back, already on stage was Sam Free, performed. Unfortunately, I don't know footage of him doing the thing. But after him, Sam Free, get a chepu. Guys, this talk I said party chepu. Guys, who made that beat? Yes, chepu. Because that beat is magnificent. It's a very good beat. Musically, that beat is good. Yo, and forget the beat. Even the person who's actually singing on the beat, I feel like he did justice to that song. Chepu. Guys, Dumzan Paloi. Fuck man. Shaba. Nitalo kukuba kungena Dumzan Paloi mona man wow. Satele Cara Lounge tela. It was packed. But people were dressed to the nines, you know. Everyone was sick. One was manyini. It was beautiful, guys. I had fun, a lot of fun. And the plus, no one here, I'm going to follow Kokwana, and I say I found be. The Bangan wanna as a Caroline just for you, like, you're God. Look at that. I said, and mother feel deep. I had a couple of them, I was enjoying. I had fun, man. You know, I was so happy to see Dumzan Balo performing on stage because I think I'm the first person to interview Dumzan Balo, even though Bangan way one interviewer. After my interview, even though, you know, Mara, I was the first person to interview him after Nungona ka trend like Facebook. And I told him, Dumzan Balongo, hey, but Dumzan, Mastuaku, Loco, me, taku interview, wala, he like Gingirikani. Vatam phone, vatam interview. I said it. And on top of that, Vatasunokum book avan, Vatam book, and then it's been happening. So I was like so happy to see Dumzan Baloi, man. I was so happy. And it's disappointed. She's a say, why? Keshkombela repeat your show, Simra show. Look at the yellow chepu. Shook. She had the Jeshu Kombela repeat. But not repeat. And I go repeat. She bad, do so crowd. We have food to the guy. Dumzan Baloi is good, man. It's nice. It's good. Dumzan Baloi is good. You know, and that teaches me about art. Art doesn't have to be perfect. There's always a space and place for every kind of art that any person can produce. It doesn't matter whether it's good or bad. And there's something what D. Michael said this week on his Facebook. He said, before I compromise the quality. I'm making sure we invest in quality. Even if we're at least there's quality. And I feel like what Dumzan Balo is doing, the quality is his character. That is like it's making everything so awkwardly liked and nice. Beautiful as well. It's like according to conventions of music, the beat, he doesn't follow beat, we all know. He's always offbeat. And even the way he sings, it's weird but nice and beautiful. So if you have an event and you're a song promoter, you're bound to book Dumzan Balo because still good. That track about. So beautiful stuff. It's beautiful stuff. Then from there, then all this stuff that you can get on. When I went outside, I saw Brace Shirimani. Look, oh, okay, so it's like good. Tim Shirimani is here. You know, I said hi to Brace Shirimani. I said hi to Diane Yoka, Mr. Muscle Guy. Yeah, I said hi to Diane Yoka. It was so nice to see those guys. And I could see that Dr. Josh Himon was there. I didn't get a chance to see him but I knew when I see those guys, he must be around. And then indeed he was around. And then I was like, okay, is he gonna perform now? 1, 2, 3. Are you ready for Shangrila? No one man must to the toilet. I've never seen Shangrila so loved in that manner. And then to saying, wow. Because I know, because I've attended so many events that Shangrila can perform on. I've never seen Shangrila receive such a love, appreciation that like she received when she performed. Cara Lounge. Well, because this was the first time she performed her album in public, right? It was so beautiful to watch people singing to her songs and also her commanding the stage. Usually, you can have a nice song, your performance style is not good. It doesn't attract the people. So Shangrila has dancers. She also moves on stage. She engages with the crowd. Beautiful stuff, man. And I feel like Shangrila was. Maybe I'll talk about her in the next video because I'll make a video about him. I mean, Mr. Post and Shangrila. I'll talk about both of them in the next video. But maybe I shouldn't expand more on this one. But I wanted to say, Shangrila is now, she's out of the bubble. She's out of the cocoon. Yeah, she's free, man. I've never seen something like that. Shangrila is so free and expressing herself on stage. This was the first time, and people were responding. Before ngena munhu wa munhu ku na simu rin'wana ni nga ri teki enhlokweni ka album ya Shangrila beri byalo we byalo a xi kona xa ku tlula biya ya nandziya we byalo. That song, the beat, mambawule lexi tirhe ngopfu guys. Well done mambawule. Actually, I realized kuri album ya Shangrila ya ba hinkwayo. I know I once said kuri my favorite song is because I love the way even though I said I felt like it needed a bit of a lead guitar, a bit of a fill in. Kufana simela rapa kaipara Dr. Josh Reman when that lead guitar ya Shimanguba itlangwa ya Shimanguba lawa, you know, because it's a good song, but Jala Janandi or that song Biyayana we Biyo, beautiful song, guys. I enjoyed. I felt like wow, I'm gonna to cut this weekend. And when she goes and launch her album, A Simple Kitchen, it for I don't know what's gonna happen. You know, it was so beautiful to see Shangrila performing and being free and being out of the cocoon. Is it a cocoon or is it a cocoon? Or being out of the box, you know, something like that. Yeah, she looks free, she looks happy, and she's enjoying her performances. People love her songs, you know. And the funny thing is, okay, maybe not need to talk about her now. I'll talk about her later. I'll talk about Shangrila in the next video, and I will explain why I'm talking about Shangrila. I'll give you why. But then after Shangrila, I'm gonna Dr. Josh Rimani. After Dr. Josh Rimani, I'm gonna Prince Rangani. Guess what happened? Before Prince Rangani, I went out on the side. I call it backstage. You get me? So I saw Prince Rangani. I told the guy I was with, no, bro, let's go and say hi to Prince Rangani. You know he's my favorite, right? Like I've said it before here. Prince Rangani. So Makam once asked me, man, favor man. Look, Prince Rangani. I like Prince Rangani, right? I mean, I just love Prince Rangani's music. So I went to say hi to him. When he saw me, he was like, oh, I couldn't believe. He was so excited to see me. I was like, oh, okay, I know. He's like, I'm gonna man Prince Rangani like girl. When I want fave muscular, look it's COVID. Social distancing, you know. Hey, excuse me. No, but it was so good to see Prince Rangani, man. And we took pictures, it was good. Then from there, Prince Rangani had to go on stage. Wow, what a performance. As you know, he goes with his dances as well. Beautiful stuff. And then zing zong nazet. Then who came? Could they miss the post after Prince, ne? Prince Rangani, then they missed the post. I didn't see Mr. Post before he came on stage. Like, I'm not friends with Mr. Post. I don't know him that well. Mr. Post is someone I see from a distance, and I like his music. I like what he does with his songwriting, the way he writes songs. We understand kunkamba, mara we will just say right. His songwriting, because look in Takasamro, if you like the form of Takasamro, Auri kunkamba, right, who wrote a song and you put your name there. Ku hava ku nkamba. I manga tsala same. We understand ku nkamba, mara to write a song like the way Mr. Post does it is beautiful. That's why I like it. And also he's one person lo akota ku kuma ti hook mari kumbe line leyo yo attracta vanhu loko a risimu. So when he went on stage, I was not there. I just heard him. I mean, as I was upstairs, I was having like midnight snack upstairs, like in a restaurant. And then from there, I went down. Like, yo, let's go watch Mr. Post. We went and watched Mr. Post. Hey, what? Beautiful stuff, Mr. Post. That performer. I'm not gonna show everything, but Mr. Post that performed that in the middle of nowhere. Mr. Post, me and Mr. Post locked eyes like, cause me and the last stage in the crowd in Mr. Post video was on top of the stage. Locked eyes is like, he's like, oh, you know how Mr. Post does. Oh, Yima. Okay, you know what? I'll tell you about Mr. Post story in the next video. What happened? Video I love go. So, I'm jealous that Mr. Post could eat in Kamina and what happened about it. Yeah, please watch the next video. And then what else? Look, say Famba, say you I left Cara Lounge around 3:30 to 4 a.m. somewhere there. Because when get like I go 5 or 5:30. Yeah, somewhere 4:35. Whatever. Mara aku sar shenguf. Mara, this is what I wanna say. Ma ngitsotsi ka munhu ngam byela ku loko mina ni kha ni famba va ku hey Juzan ile go tla chuva ke vala ku tanulisane lo nga ta tsutsuma ku hey ku ya nyika ka luwala ala adla ila ku ta ya ni tna no ne ngeni bi wena na swa byi suga hela. They were beating him outside. Look, yeah, Kama is a bitch. Hey, bang trapping me, they were fighting outside. Mara, aku ngar fulu ma pote abong pushing yana itimber tinara sumona kata bo man le andi. Look say chain, so ashirin. Yeah, bang trapping me so mara asungan taksa ngono look mara yeah, bang bi. Bang jonyori. Mera sentu kokran yela ka. Tam jelo suman at the next video. Tabla Shangrila and Mr. Post and I'm jealous on stage. Nikademina, Nikas Dors, Menarab Nomogulo, so when I ever our funerals, but joining our funeral Karwar corner, Kanambaria 061 94 064, sorry, 064 947 7681. Join our funerals Namuntan Karwar corner. Ekas Dors, Sevior, I'm Tazuntora. Salute. Magatitman.